I studied architecture before going to prison, so I don't think it would really influence me, except that maybe I like open spaces, I like transparent spaces. I try to make sure that buildings enable people to have a better connection with the outside. But that has nothing to do with prison, but maybe, I don't know. But I've always believed that spaces must not be confined, and there must be a good relationship between internal and outside. That's more African rather than prison, maybe. But I think the fact that I came to Germany and spent 15 years there in exile has had an influence, a lot of influence in the way I think. German education is perhaps more rational. Everything is well calculated, and you've got to learn about the grid and all those things. But also learn about how different materials can work together, and also learn about how buildings are made in Germany. I was fortunate to build our South African embassy in Berlin when I finished. And there, I would say we did our best to combine African influences and the German rational Wärmedämmung type building, which had to meet the climate conditions of a cold country, but at the same time using materials that make the building have some African features. So I think that combination was important because in our country, buildings tend to express the culture of people. Buildings tend to include artwork, for example, because people associate a lot with culture.